When a small group of Dresden area farmers and Cancer Society volunteers decided to stage a fundraiser, they looked to the community's agricultural roots and decided on a tractor parade, with each participant collecting pledges. And they decided to do it upright, not just a parade. They'd try to break the world record of 601 tractors. They came slowly at first and assembled on a field just outside of town. And then they came in serious numbers and the parade was on, with all sizes, makes, models and colors of tractors, drivers of all ages, men and women, many cancer survivors, some driving in memory of people they've lost to the disease. The final numbers, while still not official and not sent to the Guinness Record organization yet, more than 1,230 tractors with $100,000 raised for cancer research. And then, just about halfway through the parade, riding tractor number 602, the symbolic record breaker, Ken Richards, the originator of the idea and a cancer survivor himself. The Dresden Tractor Parade took about 6 hours to complete. It's something most participants will never forget. Simon Crouch, Dresden.